I can see someone here who could be generous or who wants to give to you. Meron ditong gustong magbigay sa'yo rito. Pwedeng something like gusto niya magpakita sa'yo rito ng tulong, or pwede naman din na someone also wants to give to you his or her time. Pwede rin naman that this is all about love and commitment, but we'll see. Diba? Basta meron ditong gustong magbigay sa'yo. Okay? Oh, but with the strength percent right here, parang ang difficult daw. It's tough to do that. Why? Hey. Tinatasan nyo ba ng kilay to? Oh, someone here is holding back. Four of Coins energy. But this person wants to give to you. Diba? Parang contrasting na naman ito. Look at that. I'm picking up the word change. What does this have to do with change? This person appears as someone who tends to think a lot, or who tends to appear na mas ginagamit niya yung kanyang isipan compared sa kanyang emotions or feelings. King of Swords energy. Okay? But this king, when it comes to relationship, this is someone serious. Okay? Look at that. Butterflies. Isn't it butterflies? Ayan, no? Yung nasa likod niya. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, etong king na to, mukhang there's something here na meron siya ritong issue about change, because butterfly is all about change, transformation. So, ano kayang issues nito? Alamin natin anong issues niya. Butterflies are the symbols of transformations, but this King of Swords do not know that the butterfly also means cure. Diba? Let's see what's going on here. Oh, we have here the sun and the moon. Baby, you're the sun and moon. Laging kinakanta kapag ka lumalabas ng parehas. Yan. Oh. Sino iti? Blind item. Okay. Okay. Kala natin ending na yun, no? Alright, so collective, thank you so much. Dito na naman tayo ulit nagbabalik sa ating collective reading. General messages for you guys. So, bago tayo mag-start, naman tayong new channel ang All About Taurus. So, kung kayo ay Taurus, or kung kayo ay may Taurus in your natal chart, or you're dealing with the Taurus and you are a cross-watcher, you're welcome dun sa channel na yon. Ang name is All About Taurus, at ang link is in the description box. Thank you so much po sa support ang binibigay nyo sa akin rito, no? Sobrang nagpapasalamat po ko sa inyong lahat for helping me in this life's purpose and calling. Thank you so much. Keep on sharing, liking. Yan, pwede nyo pong i-share ito sa inyong social media accounts. Maraming salamat po. So, yun yung mga babes, no? So, nakikita ko rito. Alam mo, nakita ko rito ng what's that? Kinikilig. Yan, no? Kinikilig. Kasi I'm about to say butterflies in the stomach. Kasi diba yun yung English na parang idiomatic expression someone is kinikilig. No? Yeah! Yeah, we're hearing legit. Yeah, legit ang kilig. Exactly. Legit ang kilig nitong person na to rito. Yan, no? So, this could be a friend, no? This could be a coworker because I can see that possibilities as well. Malinaw na gusto ka niya. Okay. And I'm also seeing, number one fan. Okay? So, this could be your number one fan right here. But, ba, miss yan? Ba't may iba? This person, it is very clear. Malinaw na gustong-gusto ka niya, no? Legit ang kilig kapag nandyan ka, no? So, whether katrabaho mo siya, kaibigan, or kapitbahay, or kung sino to, no? Blind item na iti. Okay? This person here with the moon, the Wheel of Fortune, and there's this Nine of Wands. This person right here is pushing back or pushing you away. Pushing you away, exactly. No, pushing you away, pulling his or her energy from you. And why ginagawa niya yun? Bakit niya ginagawa yun? It is because this person is afraid of change. The thing that I'm getting right here, kung bakit siya takot sa pagbabago, because one, this person could be single for a long time. Or two, this person has this bad experience when it comes to love. And third, there could possibly be this person is parang sanay kasi siya ng mga babes, no, na parang okay naman ako ngayon, I'm on my own energy, happy naman ako with my own. Natatakot siya dun sa change, no, na baka kontrolin ako nito at some sort, baka biglang magulo yung buhay ko at some sort. May mga ganun siya. You could be dealing with an overthinker as well. Any of those. But definitely this person is afraid of change. Yeah, even though legit ang kilig pag nandyan ka. Eh, pag kinikilig na siya, pinipigilan niya. This person is pulling back, pulling his or her own energy from you. Ay, hindi ako pwede magkagusto kay collective. Yeah, nakikita ka niya dito, mga babes, no, as someone who is really stunning. You are this one. No, nakakasilaw ang taglay mo rito, no, na epekto sa kanya. Okay? Iba yung dating mo sa kanya, no, regardless of who you are. Okay? Legit ang kilig. Number one fan mo siya. Okay, this person is your number one fan. And I think you're clueless whether nararamdaman mo pero never niya namang inamin. Pero pwede rin naman mga babes, no, na nararamdaman mo rito, no, na ganun nga siya. Pero alam mo yun, no, baka magulat ka pa, 'di ba? Pag nagkaroon na rito ng pag-amin or mga parang mga I'm hearing asaran, no, na alam mo, feeling ko may gusto sa'yo si blind item. Yun naman ganun. So, whatever the case, maybe this is yun na di naman kami nag-uusap nun masyado eh. Alam mo yung ganun? Like, literally, parang hindi kayo ganun nag-uusap or parang hindi naman talaga kayo as in ganun ka-close or whatever, no? Kaya siguro, if ever na merong change na pagbabago, kasi ayokong tulduhan eh, no? Kasi tingnan mo, may tower dito. There is something here that's gonna happen and it has something to do with clarity. Sa ngayon kasi magulo yung isipan niya with the Five of Wands energy eh. Pero kasi in the future, meron dito siyang tower moment, and tower moment is awakening. It's a calling. It's something that a person or an individual is parang may marirealize to the extent ng extreme realizations, no? Ganon. So, I'm picking up right here na this person really wants to try moving towards you. Kasi alam nyo, ganito kasi yan eh. Ang parang sinasabi kasi dito sa akin, kung sakali lang na itong tao na to, no, is takot siya sa pagbabago, no, na baka kontrolin mo siya or whatever, no, matagal kasi siya rito parang nabuhay na mag-isa. Independent na yung datingan niya dito eh, no, tapos parang maninibago siya or parang feeling niya makakapanibago yun para sa kanya kasi bigla siya rito magiging may ka-in relationship, no, tapos meron pa siya rito pwede mga bit-bit na mga traumas or baggages in the past, no, so kahit gusto niya na mag-try. Tanong mo, umaatras lang din siya ulit dito. Balik lang siya pag-iisip na, ay, teka lang, hindi pwede. Holding back Four of Coins energy. Ganun. So, ever this individual is, gusto niya, sana, no, ng something stronger na foundation with you. Meron gusto niya sanang ma-build yung connection ninyo into something stronger. Pero, tignan mo, nagbo-move on siya rito, no? Wala pa nga nagmo-move on na siya agad, diba? Yan. Ito talaga si blind item. Yan, no? So, yan mga babes, no, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong anak, single mom, single dad kayo, but doesn't have to be. I'm picking up right here that this person is really want you so bad here. Like, sure ako, happy ako pag nakikita ko to si Collective. Gusto kong i-go tong relationship na to, pero takot ako sa pagbabago. Exactly. Takot siya rito kasi meron dito siyang inaasahan na baka may magbago sa buhay niya, no? Kasi ang tingin niya sa life niya ngayon tahimik eh. Yan. Ganun. No? Pero at the same time, sa kabilang banda, niisip niya rin yun, especially at night time or bago siya matulog. No? Na ano kayang pakiramdam pagkasama ko si Collective. Yan, no? Sometimes iniisip niya rin, hindi kaya parang pakiramdam ko na judge ko na siya to the point na hinuhusgahan ko na baka saktan niya ako in a way. May mga ganun siya, halo-halo yung iniisip niya. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, medyo baka overthinker ito eh. So whatever the case may be, yan, no, wina-wonder niya rin rito, no, na alam niya yun, no, na parang kung hindi ako magta-try, edi walang mangyayari. Ganun. No? Pero sa ngayon, magulo talaga isip niya. Pero in the future, there's a tower moment, which I love, is next to this Ace of Swords, because this is all about clarity. This is all about being clear towards everything, seeing everything in a lighter, seeing everything in a different light. Yan. So, yun yung nakikita ko dito. Yeah, definitely. Yan. Okay? So, whoever this blind item is, yan, no, siguro, minsan obvious na, no, kasi yung iba, nakita ko na halos magkanda-dapa, yan, or nabubunggo yung tuhod sa mesa, no, every time nakita ka, tataran pa, ganun, see? Legit ang kilig pag nandyan ka. Yan, no, exactly. Okay, taray! Sino ka dyan? Okay, so Collective, no, let's just put it here. Let's wait, no. Maaring makuha natin ang karugtong nito into the collective readings, eh. Because, you know, no, as far as we can get, no, the higher the energy is, or the intense the energy is, okay, may possibility na makuha natin ulit, no, yung same energies, no, and we're gonna get some updates, okay. So, thank you so much. Love and life. Annyeong! Saranghae!